sort of a pilgrimage. I try to visit it every year. I've been here a few times already, but this time around I wanted to get a friend along. I wanted to introduce Mugdha to wildlife. It sort of coincided with her birthday, and I just proposed, would you like to, visit a beautiful forest and try and maybe celebrate your birthday a little differently? And she happily agreed.
I really liked how Corbett offers different variety of landscapes, as in we saw grasslands, the dense forest, and then flora and fauna that it offers. So overall, very nice experience.
So Corbett is my first experience of safari, and as expected it was amazing. I think I'm in love with forest.
And just the gorgeous light that you get to see in Corbett, it's on another level.
Spotted deers, sambars, peacock, langurs, jackal, barking deers, Himalayan bulbul,
Changeable hawk eagle,
Emerald dove.
emerald
honey
dove.
buzzard.
Honey buzzard. They are very tiny. They are compared to the. It looks like dog, but it's very small to spot also, because it gets camouflaged in the nature so well that spotting itself is not easy.
I really like the place. Overall, the entire experience is really good. The rooms are spacious, and every possible facility is available in the campus. So, nice day.
What makes it nicer than other stays, perhaps, because it's closer to the Dhela gate, right? So you don't really waste time, going in traveling. Literally 5 minutes away from the gate. If you ever come to Corbett and want to have a guide, do insist on Preeti. She's one of the finest guides. Not just for mammals or tigers, she takes equal interest in other wildlife also. Ali also, as a driver, knows the way around, and sort of complements Preeti well. So skillful driver, and it also helps that Ali himself has knowledge about wildlife, So that's an added bonus. So,
They're good at taking calls at the right time.
yeah.
Yes, it was fun tracking the tiger. The alert calls from different wildlife animals. I think that was the best part of the entire safari.
This was our fifth trip to the jungle, and we had lost all hopes, but finally we could spot the tiger in the river banks, and it was a fair sight and awesome.
It was the last safari.
Yeah.
We were almost
And we spotted it at the last minute, at the 11th hour. So very happy. Cool.
So the jungle never disappoints us.
Yeah.
It was the best feeling of the whole trip, of the whole safari. So that's all. I'm speechless right now.
मेरा फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस था ये कॉर्बेट का। यहाँ का एक्सपीरियंस में मेनली ये था कि मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा, ये एक टाइगर को ढूंढना कैसे होता है। प्लस एज मैं फ़ोटोग्राफी पर्पस से भी यहाँ पर आई थी, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैंने फ़ोटोग्राफी की भी सीखी हैं। और मुझे ये आइडिया नहीं था कि ऐसे टाइगर को ऐसे सर्च करना पड़ता है, टाइगर दिखे या ना दिखे, उसका जो प्रोसेस है पूरा फाइंडिंग का, वो ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है।
Visiting jungle is not just spotting tigers. You have to enjoy everything that's seen in the jungle, starting from small birds to mammals and the nature, fauna and flora. So even breathing fresh air itself is an experience.
Shashank as a person, he's really nice, he's helpful, and for my first forest safari, I would say I've chosen the right person because of his knowledge and the way he helps you understanding the language of the forest and getting accustomed with it.
No doubt about his skills and his knowledge. Definitely, he knows his stuff really well. Highly recommended again. Do come and join Wilderlust. He really knows his stuff and explains them really well. So kudos to you, Shashank.
That was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.